So next to phenol, some other reactions. Phenol upon reduction with zinc dust. With zinc dust here oxygen is eliminated and simple the benzene is the product. Benzene is the product with zinc dust. Okay, now this is the reduction reaction. Okay, now the byproduct is zinc oxide. And also some oxidation reactions. When phenol react with potassium dichromate in acidic medium, potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7 in acidic medium, it forms a conjugated diketone pi sigma pi conjugated diketone, that is also called benzoquinone. Okay, this is the oxidation reaction. Okay, and similarly other oxidation with potassium persulfate, potassium persulfate. So in the basic medium potassium persulfate, when treated with phenol, it gives the quinol as a product. This is as a quinol. Okay, now these two are oxidation reactions. Next to the same phenol react with PCl5, the chlorobenzene and phosphoroxy trichloride and HCl are the products. Okay, now next to the esterification, phenol when react with carboxylic acid. This is a carboxylic acid. With carboxylic acid in the acidic medium, the water elimination takes place and forms ester. Already we discussed in the alcohols. So here we have taken R group. Okay, now so the same ester formation also takes place by the acetic anhydride and also acetyl chloride also. Same like alcohols, here also same reactions. Okay, now esterification reaction. Okay, now formation of ester with carboxylic acid and phenol. Okay, now. So next to identification tests for alcohols. So Victor-Meyer's test. In the Victor-Meyer's test, when in the Victor-Meyer's test, when alcohol 1 degree alcohols when react, primary alcohol 1 degree alcohol when react with iodine in the presence of phosphorus, red phosphorus, then iodoalkane will be formed. Then with reaction with silver nitrite, it forms alkyl nitrites. Next to this is nitrous acid, HNO2 or HONO. This is the structure HNO2, nitrous acid. It forms okay now. This is the nitrolic acid. Okay now. This is the here H and OH will be eliminated and this will be N double bond O will be formed. NO will be activated. Now here tautomerization takes place. H migrate here. This H migrates to here. This is a nitrolic acid. So due to presence of OH group which will be dissolved in a alkali base, okay, and react a salt, this is a blood red colorization. So finally in the different steps in the Victor-Meyer test, primary alcohol gives blood red color in these steps. Okay, na? So primary alcohols gives blood red color. And if you see secondary alcohols, same manner reaction with iodine, phosphorus, iodoalkane, then silver nitrate, alkyl nitrites. Then after nitrous acid, it react pseudo nitrols. This is called pseudo nitrolic acid. Then this cannot react with the NaOH. In the NaOH, it gives you blue colorization. It will give you blue colorization. Okay, now that is the secondary 2 degree alcohol. And 3 degree alcohol, if you see. So with iodine in the presence of phosphorus, iodoalkane, with silver nitrate, nitroalkanes, alkyl nitrites or nitroalkanes also. Okay, and with nitrous acid, there is no hydrogen. Okay, now on this carbon there is no hydrogen, so no reaction. With NaOH, no reaction, so colorless. So finally, alcohols with Victor-Meyer test. Primary alcohols gives you blood red colorization. Secondary alcohols gives you blue colorization. Tertiary alcohols colorless and not dissolved in a alkali. Finally, not dissolved in a base. This is about Victor-Meyer's test. And also already we discussed Lucas test, Lucas reagent, anhydrous zinc chloride plus HCl. In the starting only we discussed alcohols. Tertiary alcohols immediately forms turbidity. Secondary alcohols not forms. Okay, now secondary alcohols after 5 to 10 minutes forms, and primary alcohols not formed at room temperature and formed turbidity at high temperature. This is already we discussed. You see at Lucas reagent. Okay, na. So and the next reaction, next test too. So next reaction, Lucas test. Okay, na. So Lucas test again I am revising. Tertiary alcohols with Lucas reagent, anhydrous zinc chloride HCl. Already we discussed this. Again I am saying tertiary alcohols with Lucas reagent gives turbidity immediately, and secondary alcohols turbidity forms 5 to 10 minutes. Primary alcohols forms turbidity at room temperature not form, but at high temperature the turbidity slowly form. Okay, that is the case of Lucas test. And with copper dehydrogenation reaction at 300 degrees Celsius, primary alcohols gives aldehydes, secondary alcohols gives ketones, tertiary alcohols gives alkenes. Okay, na. Next for the case of phenols. So next test is ceric ammonium nitrate test. That is ceric ammonium nitrate, CAN. So its formula is this. Here cerium is less for oxidation state. Okay, na. So all alcohols, may be primary or secondary or tertiary alcohol, with ceric ammonium nitrate it gives red or pink color. Okay, na, red or pink color. And also the phenols with same ceric ammonium nitrate it gives black or brown color. Okay, na? That is about the ceric ammonium nitrate test. Now ferric chloride test, this is important. This is an important test for phenols. Important test for phenols. So this ferric chloride when react with phenol it gives violet colorization. Violet colorization, 3 moles of phenol react with ferric chloride gives violet colorization, right? And one more test for phenols, that is when phenol react with bromine in the presence of water. Already we discussed bromine in the presence of water, polar solvent, the white color 2,4,6 tribromophenol is formed. This is also test. Okay, 2,4,6 tribromophenol, this is a white color solid, white color crystalline solid antaru. Okay, now this is also test, bromine water test antaru. This is bromine water test. So phenol gives the ferric chloride test with violet color, with the bromine water it gives white color solid. Okay, now these are the tests, identification tests for alcohols and phenols. Now uses of phenols, 0.2% of phenol is used as a antiseptic and drugs. It is also used to preparation of drugs and pharmaceuticals. And also the phenol with urea and formaldehyde used as the many polymers. Okay, now important polymers are bakelite. Okay, now bakelite switchboards are prepared. So these are the uses of phenols and their properties and chemical reactions. Okay.